Come on, everything good. It's Friday. I'm here at the Far Out Fish Hut. With some fish bammy. Right by the ocean. Right here. Today was a good day. I signed up for my real estate test again. I'm going to take it for the third time in Jamaica. First score I got was 68, you need a 70 to pass. Second score 58, you need a 70 to pass. Last score 48. I said, how many times I have to pay to pass? Because I'm passing, but I'm failing. So I'm going to take it again Friday, next week, March 17th. Hopefully this time it be for real. And they don't play with my scores. Because you know when you pass something, you know when you pass something. And I pass every time, but they keep failing me to get the money. But that's how it is. And that's the game we have to play in Jamaica. But at the end of the day, once you get what you want, you can do good. Getting on my fish. Some fried bammy. This fish is good over here. It's between Falmouth and Montego Bay. And in the Stonebrook Manor. About 20 minutes away, but it's worth the ride. I didn't bring my friend today, so I'm by myself. I eat me a big fish. When you're by yourself, you can eat a big fish. When you have company, you eat a small fish. Yeah, man. That's how you go. It's the Far Out Fish Hut. Nice place. About 15 minutes from the airport, 20 minutes maybe. Can't wait to get the farm going. Going to be going and check out the farm maybe next week. I'm going to start doing the work probably in the next April. I have to start plowing it first. Once we're doing my plowing, I'm doing my weeding. Then I'm going to start my seedlings. And then once I do my seedlings, it's ready to plant. Scotch-bonnet and pepper take about 4 months. Cassava, ginger, turmeric take about 8-9 months. Yeah, man. I start buying my goats, my chickens, and my ducks. And one mule. You have to have a mule on your farm. And then you have to get them another one for a companion. Just a couple dogs, and that's about it. That's what going on in Jamaica, man. There's not going to be a lot of farming going on in the world because of the climate change. It's snowing in California and Texas right now. They should be planting food right now, but they can't because the ground is frozen and the snow is everywhere. So they're going to be about 2 months behind. It's going to be a shortage of food. Sorry to give you the bad news. So, if you want to put in your bid for my food that I'm growing, fruits and vegetables, all you can eat for a minimum price, I will ship it to your FedEx. Okay. The next video to come soon.